Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to check the tyre pressures on your Range Rover without having to leave the comfort of your driving seat. Whatever next. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to climb into your Range Rover with the ignition on, and on the steering wheel you select the menu OK button. And this brings up the menu on the dashboard in front of you. Now what you're going to need to do is go down to the bottom and select the service menu. Do that by pressing the right hand arrow. There is a link above now about how to open the bonnet or the hood on the Range Rover Vogue. Select tyre pressure check. Now the computer is telling me the actual tyre pressures on the front are 41 and 30, so they are way off, and on the back 33 and 34. Now the tyre pressures that they should be are 33 on the front and 36 on the back. There is a link above now about all the recommended tyre pressures for all different sizes of tyres for the Range Rover and Land Rover. I suggest you have a quick look at that video. To go back to the main menu, just keep pressing the left hand button. What I'm going to do now is climb out of the Range Rover and check all those tyre pressures. I need to let some air out of the one that was overinflated and pump up the ones that are underinflated. Also make sure that you do these tyre pressure checks when the tyres are cold. And after all that hard work, we definitely deserve a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.